So this is Evinrude, 150 horsepower. I just bought it last week, middle of last week I think, Thursday I picked it up. There was some issue with it, but I just lubricated, started gears and things like that a little bit. Okay, it's very hooked up, very temporary. So starting. Running and not really smoky actually. This one is also hooked up very temporarily, but I need to check all everything's working okay. But I'm really happy. Wiring needs some attention. I need some instruments to fit on that one here. Those are isolated. This is cut. I don't know what they're for. I need some wiring diagrams. Evinrude, 150 horsepower. Intruder, Ficth model 1997.